In this question, in an AP, the first term is 2 and last term is 29. Then sum of the terms is 155. Then the common difference of this AP equals to हमें find out करना है. So first term A क्या है हमारे पास equals to 2 and last term of this AP is 29 and sum of terms is S. nth terms का sum हमें क्या दिया हुआ है equals to 155. So sum of n terms क्या होता है when A first term and last term is given. So Sn क्या होता है, this is equals to n by 2 into a plus l which is equals to 155. So n by 2, a is first term of this series 2 plus l is 29 which is equals to 155. So ये वैल्यू क्या, 2 plus 29 is 31. So 31 n by 2 equals to 155. So n equals to इसको 155 को 31 से डिवाइड करें तो कितने टाइम्स, 5 टाइम्स कैंसिल आउट. सो n की वैल्यू का 2 into 5 is 10.
पूरा वीडियो सोल्यूशन देखें डाउटनट ऐप पर.